Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average slid down. The US dollar is exhibiting strength against the euro. The US dollar index grew by 0.14%. The dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is entering the correctional phase. All that and more in our next financial news release. At the beginning of the trading day, futures on the Dow Jones 30 were down by 46 points, or by 0.2%, while the S&P 500 futures contract lost 0.4% and the Nasdaq 100 futures contract dipped by 0.9%. The euro is losing momentum against the greenback after the release of weak statistics from the eurozone. The US dollar continues to correct upwards. The euro fell to 1.1810 against the greenback from its previous close of 1.1853. The US currency edged high against the yen to the 106.47 level from its previous close of 106.18. Those who invest in dollar assets may suffer losses due to the weak greenback. Ulf Lindahl, the chief investment officer of currency manager AG Bisset, believes the US currency may plunge 36% against the euro over the next year. Indeed, since the beginning of 2020, the US dollar has been down against the common European currency. On January 1st, the exchange rate was $1.12 per euro. Today, it's 1.18 per euro. This means that the greenback has lost 5.3%. The US dollar index, measuring the value of the dollar against a basket of 6 major currencies, rose by 0.14% to 92.98. In August, the US dollar index fell by more than 1%, while in the first days of September it gained ground. As for the dollar versus loonie, the pair started correcting upwards on the hourly chart. The level of 1.3164 can be seen as the first target of its uptrend. According to the MACD indicator, the pair is about to pull back before moving further down towards the fractal low at 1.2950. Analysts believe that the US dollar's rally will be limited by the US Federal Reserve, which is expected to keep its key interest rate near zero for a long time. On Thursday, traders will focus on the data on business conditions in key sectors of Europe and the US, as well as on weekly initial jobless claims in the United States. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.